हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले वीडियो में हमने जो पढ़ा था आपको मालूम होगा, जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट किए थे लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन। रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट हमने शुरू किया था। रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के पहले हमने बताया था डुअल नेचर ऑफ लाइट। लाइट बिहेव एज ए पार्टिकल एज वेल एज वेव आल्सो। पार्टिकल एज वेल एज वेव आल्सो। और इसको हमने आपको बताया था कि दोनों के दोनों नेचर शो करते हैं और उसको एक एग्जांपल से डिस्कस किए थे। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। व्हेन रेज ऑफ लाइट रिटर्न बैक इन द सेम मीडियम, दिस phenomena of light is known as reflection of light, or bouncing back of white light in same medium is known as reflection of light. Reflection of light are two types. First, regular reflection of light. When reflection of light takes place through plane surface are known as regular reflection of light, and irregular reflection of light when reflection of light takes place through irregular surface are known as irregular reflection of light. We can see any one object through reflection and refraction of light. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट से ही हमें दिखाई देते हैं, रिफ्लेक्शन से भी देखते हैं। तो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, when light fall on any one object and return back, reflected rays of light enter in our eyes, and our eyes lens convert that rays of light on our retina, and image formed on our retina, and we can able to see that object. Today I am going to start next topic, spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, it is reflecting surface of spherical mirror. You see, spherical mirror are two types. Spherical mirror are two types. First, concave spherical mirror. Definition of this one. This is known as concave spherical mirror. You say this. What is definition of this? Concave spherical mirror is a mirror in which outer surface are polished and inner surface are reflecting surface. Concave spherical mirror is a spherical mirror in which outer surface are polished and inner surface are reflecting surface. That types of spherical mirror is known as concave spherical mirror. Second, convex spherical mirror. Convex spherical mirror. Convex spherical mirror. Convex spherical mirror is a spherical mirror in which outer surface is reflecting and inner surface is polished. You see image of this one. Inner surface are polished and outer surface are reflecting surface. This is reflecting surface. Outer surface are reflecting surface and inner surface are polished. This types of spherical mirror is known as convex spherical mirror. Clear all of you? Two types of spherical mirror, concave spherical mirror and convex spherical mirror. Now I am going to discuss here technical term related to spherical mirror. You see, technical term related to spherical mirror. Technical term related to spherical mirror. टेक्निकल टर्म रिलेटेड टू स्फेरिकल मिरर मीन्स स्फेरिकल मिरर से संबंधित वो टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जो बार बार आपको आएंगे, इस चैप्टर में आएंगे। फर्स्ट है पूल। इट इज सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर Our center point of spherical mirror is known as pool. Center point of spherical mirror ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, center point of spherical mirror is known as pool. क्लियर? हम यहां बना रहे हैं, ये है कॉनकेव स्फेरिकल मिरर। डायग्राम से डिस्कस करते चल रहे हैं आपको। इस स्फेरिकल मिरर का जो सेंटर पॉइंट होगा उसी को हम लोग पूल कहेंगे और पी से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। क्लियर हो गया फर्स्ट पॉइंट। सेकेंड पॉइंट, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर क्या होता है आपका? द सेंटर ऑफ हॉलो स्फीयर, द सेंटर ऑफ हॉलो स्फीयर ऑफ विच mirror is part. You see, this spherical mirror is part of this hollow sphere. Clear? This is part of this hollow sphere. Then center of this hollow sphere is known as center of curvature. And center of curvature we can represent it by the letter C. Center of curvature represented by the letter C. Clear all of you? Radius of curvature. Third point, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. The radius of hollow sphere. The radius of hollow sphere of which mirror is part. Means what is the radius of this hollow sphere? That is known as radius of curvature, and it is represented by the letter R. Radius of curvature represented by the letter R. Fourth point, principal axis. Principal axis, the straight line join center of curvature. The straight line join center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. axis. Next point, fifth, focus. 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 The rays of light, sorry, तो ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और पोल को ज्वाइन करते हुए जाएगी, इसी को हम लोग कहेंगे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ये हम मिटा दे रहे हैं, हॉलो स्फीयर. अब हमें कुछ और चीजें डिस्कस करनी है. हमने इमेजिनेशन जो दिया था, ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस हो गया. फोकस. द रेज of light, the rays of light parallel to principal axis, parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through single point on principal axis. On principal axis is known as focus. That point is known as focus. That point is known as principal focus. Focus. Known as focus. You see here, the rays of light parallel to principal axis. These two rays of light I will represent here. After reflection passes through single point on principal axis. You see here, this is passes through single point. Then this is known as focus. Focus of this spherical mirror is this point. In case of convex, if we can show, then in convex you can see where we can get. This is the polished surface, pole, center of curvature, the rays of light parallel to principal axis. After reflection, that is in this way moving. Then we appears these rays of light coming from this point. Yep. तो स्पेरिकल कॉन्केव स्पेरिकल मिरर में हमेशा फोकस लेफ्ट साइड में होता है, कॉन्वेक्स स्पेरिकल मिरर में हमेशा फोकस राइट साइड में होता है. फोकल लेंथ 6 पॉइंट. फोकल लेंथ. The distance between focus and optical center, and pole is known as focal length. मीन्स इस फोकस और आप पोल के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, फोकल लेंथ. और इसको रिप्रेजेंट किससे किया जाता है, स्मॉल एफ से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. लास्ट पॉइंट आपका 6-7 अपर्चर. The total or effective length of spherical mirror is known as aperture aperture मीन्स ये टोटल लेंथ, यहाँ जहां से मिरर शुरू हो रहा है, ये टोटल लेंथ जिससे रिफ्लेक्शन होता है उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं एपर्चर। यह है आपका एपर्चर, यह है आपका एपर्चर। ये टोटल लेंथ और इफेक्टिव लेंथ through which reflection of light or takes place are known as aperture of lens. Then today only this much. Next I will say next day.